Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Click and Collect with Musgrave MarketPlace. Once you've registered to become a customer on musgravemarketplace.ie, you'll be sent your login details for our e-commerce web store. Once you have those details, you can visit musgravemarketplace.ie and click the Order Online button to reach the login page of our e-commerce web store. Here you just enter your username and password and you'll be brought to the home page of our web store. Once you're here, please make sure to check the top left-hand side of the page to ensure that you are logged into your Click and Collect account. Here we are logged into Ballymun Click and Collect. From here you can go and search the various product categories and decide on what products you want to add to your cart. Once you've added your products, you can view the checkout button at the top right hand corner, click on that and you'll be brought to your trolley. Here you can look at the various pricing and product details and make sure that you're happy with everything that is in your basket. Once you're happy, you can proceed to checkout. On the shipping screen, you can view your shipping and invoice details, a collection day and a collection time for your products. We'll choose the 30th and a collection time of 11 to 12. You can then review your invoice total and select a payment method. On this occasion, we'll select credit card. Place your order, input your card payment details, and your order will be ready for collection at the time and day you've selected. Thank you.